So I've installed the fourth wing. Okay. So let's go to the so let's go to the other side. So let's go to the other side to install the other face of the engine. So install that. So look at it. Can you see it? So this is what we do right there. Can you see? It's inside freely. So let's put the other one. Let's put this one. Okay. This is where we are installing the other wing. Can you see that? So it enters freely. You see? So can you see? The second wings are installed. So to main these two, so let's just do that real quick. See? Sun is kind of strong. No, can't work. So let's fix this last one. I see. It's open. The last one. So now that we have installed all the rings, the next thing is to clean the piston that you are installing it, so there will be no dirty in the piston. So see, now all the rings are being being appraised in the block engine, so everything is gauged like this. So now what we need to do is to install the rings in the piston, but before that, you can see they are very dirty. Engine rebuild doesn't accept you using dirty piston, but you have to clean all the dirtiness so that the rings can sit properly in the piston and the installation will be okay. This is what we do here. We don't play.